Hello everyone! Takeoff and landing are the most crucial moments in any flight, where the risks are greatest, and the flight crew's focus and skills are put to the test. In this compilation, you'll see extreme scenarios, close calls, and awe-inspiring piloting. Welcome aboard.
He's gonna land in the water. He's gonna land in the water. No, he's scaring us.
No, he's going out easy. No, he's going down.
Right by people. Oh my God.
German Air Force pilots training in Arizona made an emergency landing. Once they realized the landing gear was busted, they decided on a belly landing. It went off without a hitch, except for the inevitable propeller damage.
Gets lined up. Alright, he's got his main gear down. Let's see, he's telling Nick. Yep, he's got it in the stops. Okay, I think we're okay now. Now, Nick's obligation is...
Incredible coordination between the pilot and the pickup driver.
And it surely is again. Good contact this time. Right to the front. He's got to get the tail wheel down though if this is going to work. And it's got to be settled down. Nick has to help by slowing down just a bit. I don't see the tail touching down just yet. I think he might.
Yeah, he made it.
A Douglas DC-3 airliner had to make an emergency landing in Alaska on its way from Anchorage Airport to Kodiak. A flawless landing, right onto a moving ship. After the landing gear caught fire, the pilot urgently aborted the takeoff of the passenger Coot at an airport in Angola. It wasn't an easy task. Just 50 meters from the end of the runway, there was a busy public road. When making an emergency landing, the landing gear can add extra risk. For example, it might snap off and pierce the fuel tank. A Boeing 757 flight that left Lanzarote Airport was interrupted after surveillance cameras captured sparks coming from the right engine. Gustav III Airport on the Caribbean island of San Bartolome is considered one of the most beautiful airports in the world. But beauty comes with a price. Piloting here is quite challenging. The runway, only 646 meters long, runs perpendicular to the coast and ends right on the beach. The glide path for landing from the hill is so steep that only the most experienced pilots can handle it. Everything goes perfectly on the first try. A rookie pilot made his first solo landing of a Cessna 170 on the runway and messed up a bit with a control stick. The landing gear of a Beechcraft Duke plane blew out during landing, causing it to skid off the runway.
Soft brake.
An impressive takeoff of the supersonic bomber Blackjack. At night, its powerful afterburners look especially cool.